नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका फिर से स्वागत है एक और एपिसोड में जहां मैं जिम जाने के अलावा बाकी सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि आज भी मैं भागने नहीं जा पाया।
Yeah, bro, I couldn't go for a run today because I woke up. I did wake up at like 7 o'clock something, 7:15 or something. I woke up, and but my shoulders and chest were too sore, bro, and like my body just needed some rest and sleep. So I thought of like sleeping for some time and then waking up and going for a run. But then I never woke up. So to compensate, I will have to do some extra cardio after my gym in the evening. And right now I'm gonna go to Star Bazaar to get some groceries, bhaji pala, not just bhaji pala. I'm also gonna get some chicken. Yeah, so let's go. Yes, santre. I have come to buy chicken and some vegetables and some fruits and I don't remember. Let's see. Come shopping with me. Let's go. I get some mushrooms. मशरूम से क्या है ना, थोड़ा खाने का स्वाद बढ़ जाता है। वेजिटेरियन खाने में मशरूम डाल दो, मज़ा आ जाए। बाकी कुछ खरीद हुआ नहीं, लेकिन चाय पत्ती तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है बॉस। आज सुबह में उठा और देखा कि चाय पत्ती नहीं थी घर पे। चाय पीना मुश्किल हो गया था भाई। तो ये तो चाहिए ही चाहिए। Yeah, nachos. This is not for me. This is for my brothers because they like hog on nachos. They love these nachos, especially these Fabsta nachos are like so good, so tasty. So I'm gonna get these. Half kilo chicken boneless or 1 kilo curry cut chicken. I really want to buy Bourbon biscuit. I really want to buy Dark Fantasy. I really want to buy Parle G. But अगर मैं ये सब खरीद लूँगा ना, तो I'll end up eating it, bro. And like I don't want to mess up my diet. So no. So it's 11 a.m. and I am cooking brunch with my brother. We're having a brunch date at home where we cook together and eat together. What up, bro? What up?
One second.
Maldini?
I'm giving water to my mother.
Oh, he's giving water to his mother. Put some oil, bro. Put some oil.
This or this?
Yeah, this or this. The or yellow one.
Tell me when to stop.
Tell me when to stop. Wait, I'll put it. Useless, bro. Useless.
You can't be talking blood. Number 15. Burger King with lettuce. So apparently Burger King reported with lettuce. The name was Alexi. He complained that Burger King
Do you
had
think
put
he's
lettuce.
more entertaining than me? No, right? And even if he is, he has learned from me.
You can't be talking blood.
You can't be talking blood. That's all he knows.
No, I know better than you. I can't use the audio right now. He doesn't know how to cook.
Let him cook. Let him cook.
It's 3 eggs only, blood.
So yeah, so we're making eggs along with that so that we can get 20-25 grams of protein in one sandwich.
No, I'm gonna give you 25 grams of cholesterol.
Shut up.
Huh?
This is what my breakfast brunch, like 12 p.m. My first meal of 12 p.m. looks like. This is heavy, and this will keep me filled up for like the next 3-4 hours. I feel. I'm just like aiming to have just 2 meals in a day. मतलब मैं एक सुबह का खाना और एक रात का खाना। दोपहर को मैं कुछ खाता नहीं हूँ वैसे, क्योंकि मैं कुछ और काम से बिजी रहता हूँ. Apart from that, this is what
So
I
where's
had.
my burger?
You have to make your own burger, bro.
Bet.
Bro, this lunch looks so good. Like, this is the kind of shit I see in like YouTube and Instagram videos. This protein-packed meal has 30 grams of protein and this much amount of carbs, you know? It looks the same, bro. It looks the same. Yeah, let's have it. Let's have it now. So in hybrid workouts, you either run and lift on the same day, or you lift one day and run one day. So, and I don't know which one to follow, honestly. Lift and run one day, or like run and lift both the days. I think I should go for the run today, like a 5 kilometer run, or I can go to the gym and do back and biceps and then do some cardio. I'm not able to decide, so एक कप चाय पीते हैं चाय पी के ना मेरा दिमाग थोड़ा सा खुल जाता है, मेरा दिमाग चलने लगता है चाय पी के। तो फिर चाय पी के मालूम पड़ेगा क्या करना चाहिए। तो चाय पी के दिमाग में तो आ गया कि आज जिम जाना चाहिए, तो मैं बाइक वाइक पे बैठ के निकल गया था जिम जाने के लिए। बट देन आई सॉ कि मेरे जिम का मेंबरशिप ख़त्म हो गया है। अरे यार गलत दिन पे ख़त्म हो गया यार। सोचा था डेडलिफ्ट करूँगा, बैक बाइसेप मारूंगा, कार्डियो करूँगा, फुल क्रेजी वर्कआउट करूँगा, बट नहीं हो पाएगा। सो आई विल गो फॉर अ रन नाउ, मे बी इन द रोड्स और आई विल गो टू द बीच। यो 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 भाई मुझे भागना है, बट मेरे पास मेरा बैग है यार जिम का, इसमें गिम्बल वगैरह है, मैं कैसे करूँगा। पर ये देख, सेवियर, वी हैव अ सेवियर।
चप्पल में तोड़ने वाला
चप्पल में नहीं, शूज़ है ना मेरे पास, बट जिम के शूज़ है।
है बिना चप्पल तोड़ना, एकदम साफ है ये।
छी,
अरे एकदम साफ है।
अभी कोई लेके नहीं जाना चाहिए मेरे चप्पल को यार। प्लीज़ बी सेफ होम बॉय, प्लीज़ बी सेफ। So I have come near the Warsaw Bandra ceiling for the first time. Look, this is the ceiling starting from Warsaw Beach. And it will go all the way there to Bandra. It's just halfway. It's not even halfway. It's just like 1/4 done. And I think it will take at least like 4 years more to completely get joined. Oh fuck! I've completed 5 kilometers. And fuck! You know, I'm so thankful that my gym membership got cancelled, so I could come over here and run in this beach. If I had not started this vlogging, I would have never come here and run. You know, I would have thought like, ठीक है ना, आज नहीं गए, कल चले जाएंगे. That's the exact reason why I'm vlogging, because this gives me the motivation to go, to push, to run further, to live further. And yeah. I'm so thankful. Gratitude. God, gratitude. Like during lockdown, I used to run every day 5 kilometers. But then later my college started and all of that, so I stopped running and joined the gym. But today running after so many years like feels epic. Feels legendary. My legs are hurting a little bit. But that's fine. That's like fine, bro. We are thick-skinned, cold-blooded. So that shouldn't matter. It's been a good day. I feel it's been a good day because I worked out today. I had a good diet today. Like on 5th Feb of my first vlog, I told you all that, you know, I won't repeat this mistake. I'll like improve my diet, and today I did improve my diet. I will work on not having sugar for the rest of this transformation month. And I'm eating clean. What else do you want, bro? You're eating clean.
A few moments later.
चिकन अच्छा खा रहे वो पता चलेगा।
Boys gonna have fun tonight. Boys gonna have fun.
तो पता कैसे चलेगा अभी? नहीं लिखेगा।
ये है रोस्टर किंग। अरे भाई और है। ओहो लिखा रहेगा।
नहीं लिखा है भाई।